How to turn off sound notification in Litmatch. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off sound notification in Litmatch. For that, first of all, you need to open your Litmatch application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged in to your account. If you are logged in to your account, you will land on this home page. In this home page, at the bottom right, you will find your profile picture. Tap on your profile picture or the icon to reach to your profile page. And once you reach to the profile page, here in the top right, you will find the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon and this will take you to the settings page. In the settings menu, you will need to look for an option related to notifications. Tap on notification once you find the option. Once you're in the notification section, you will find various options to control the notifications. From here, you'll also be able to see the sound notification option. At the right side, you will see the toggle button, which is currently turned on. Now to turn off sound notifications, you just simply have to tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Now once you have done that, you won't receive any sound notification from Litmatch. You will also be able to turn off and on vibrate option here. Simply tap on the toggle button at the right side of the vibrate option to turn it off. So by following these steps, you should be able to turn off sound notifications in Litmatch. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.